Hello friends, welcome to Easy Electronics. This is Miss Kirti Nashikkar. So we were in our digital topic number systems and digital codes where we have studied all these lectures, and in the last lecture we have studied about ones and twos complement, and now we are going to discuss about the binary addition and subtraction using twos complement. But here, instead of starting the binary subtraction using ones and twos complement, first of all, I am going to discuss about the binary addition and subtraction rules. And we will see some of the examples for binary numbers, subtraction and addition. So let us start with the binary addition rules. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 0 plus 1 always equals to 1. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Now here 1 plus 1, as we all know, is 2, but here we are performing the binary addition. That's why 2 is represented by binary 1 0. So that's why 1 plus 1 equals to 1 0. But here in case of 1 0, we have considered 0 as the sum and 1 is our carry. Then the next one is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 1 1. Here again sum is 1 and carry is 1. Now we will understand this concept by taking some of the examples. So here we have to perform the addition of decimal number 27 plus 29 by using binary arithmetic. So first of all, we have to convert these two numbers into their corresponding binary. So we have converted 27 into its corresponding binary. So for this conversion, you have to use decimal to binary interconversion. So we have to divide 27 by 2. Then for 29, again we have used the decimal to binary conversion, or we can say double method. Now 27 plus 29 becomes 56. But here we have to perform the binary addition. That's why we have to add these digits one by one. These digits one by one. So 56. Now let us see here 1 plus 1. This addition becomes 1 0. 1 0 where 0 is the sum which is written over here and 1 is the carry. Now again 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 0 is the sum written over here. 1 becomes the carry. 1 plus 1 again 1 0. Sum is 0 and carry 1 gets added to the next digit. 1 plus 1 1 0 plus 1 becomes 1 1. So sum 1 is written over here and carry gets added to the next digit. So again 1 plus 1 1 0 plus 1, it becomes 1 1. Now here as there is no next digit present, so we have to write sum and carry here only. So it becomes 1 1 1 triple 0. Okay, so this is nothing but the binary representation of the number 56, and this is how we can add the two binary numbers using binary arithmetic. So from this you can take many such examples and verify your answers whether they are verifying with your decimal numbers or not, that you have to see. Now here how you can verify the answer. Here again you have to perform the binary to decimal conversion. That means you have to, that procedure we have seen in the earlier slides. If you are not aware, then just go through my earlier videos, you will get the decimal to binary as well as binary to decimal conversion methods. So now let us move towards the binary subtraction rules. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. 0 minus 1, here the difference is 1, and as we can't do the subtraction from 0 minus 1, so we have to take the borrow. So that's why this is borrow. Then 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. These are the basic subtraction rules of binary subtraction. So again, let us discuss one of the example of binary subtraction. Here I am performing the subtraction of 13 minus 10 by binary arithmetic. So 13, its equivalent binary is 1101. From decimal to binary method. 10, its equivalent binary is 1010. Now here we will get the result 3, okay, of this particular subtraction. So let us see it one by one. So 1 minus 0 is 1, then 0 minus 1. So here we have to take the borrow. So it becomes 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 1. Your borrow is here. So it is, the borrow is getting subtracted with the next, from the next digit. So 1 minus this borrow 1, you will get the result 0, and here 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the binary representation of the number 3. You can verify it by the binary to decimal method of conversion. You will get your verified result. So this is how we can perform the binary addition as well as binary subtraction. It is very simple method. We have discussed these two rules, that is binary addition and subtraction rules, for our upcoming lectures, as we have to discuss about the ones and twos complement methods of subtractions. So that's why we must know about the ones and twos complement of binary numbers, how we can convert them, and the next one is addition and subtraction rules. So this is beneficial for our upcoming lectures. So thank you so much.